Movo just sent me their wireless microphones, and these are so simple to use. You're gonna get two that look just like this. They have a little clip here in the background. I'm wearing a black top, so you can barely even tell. But again, no wires or anything like that. And then this case is gonna keep them nice and charged. So when they're not in use, just keep it right there. And then I'll show you the piece that's on my phone right now. I'm gonna take it out so you can even hear that difference. Okay, this was attached to my phone. I have the iPhone 17 Pro. So right now it should not be connected at all. I'm off mic. You should be hearing quite a difference. Okay, so it goes, everything fits so nicely in there. And then it snaps shut even. You have a little carabiner. How cute is that? And then you can charge it up right here, and it does come with the charging USB as well. So it comes with everything you need in this teeny tiny, perfect to use little pouch. I love it. Let's go outside. I think there's some construction or maybe something going on that might be loud, and let's hear the difference. Okay, we're outside. It's actually quite quiet. There's not too much, but there's a little bit of road noise. Okay, so that's with the microphone on. Let's go ahead and take that off. Okay, so now we are off microphone. There's some wind, a little bit of road noise, and hopefully you can hear the difference. I so many times film as a content creator without a microphone. My husband one day said, "What are you doing? Why don't you take this more seriously?" So I reached out, got this microphone kit, and I think as you can hear, it makes a big difference when you do have a microphone. So if you're a content creator or you just want videos that sound crisp, get a microphone. It really does make a difference. And this one's just so easy to use. You can be mobile. You don't have to have any sort of wires or a back pocket or anything like that. The wind is blowing and you're not even hearing any of that background noise. So hopefully I've convinced you it's a pretty good microphone because I'm going to be using it myself all the time.